So hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video of mine. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you about expressions and statements in Python. So we have a lot of value as in here. So the first one is called a string value. And number 4 is called an integer value. 4.5 is called a float value because there's a decimal in here. True and false are called a boolean value. So let me write that down for you so that you guys don't forget it. Okay, so now, as you can see, all of these written in here are called an expression. So an expression produces a value, while a statement tells Python to do something with that value. So let me give you an example so that you can know if it's an expression or if it's a statement. For example, IQ equal 100. This is a statement because it tells Python to do something to store 100, which is that value, in the variable, which is the IQ. So let me write that. Now moving on, user IQ equal. This might be a bit confusing for you, but it's not like how it looks. So IQ, we wrote it here because we want to do 100 divided by 5. So this variable is replaced by its value, which is 100. So 100 divided by 5 plus 2. This one is called an expression because it's written in here because it's a value. Like it got values in it, like 5, 2. This one, on the other hand, is called a statement. Now let's print user IQ. Oh, there we're having problems because I'm supposed to make all of these as comments. So let me do that. Okay, here we go. We got 22 because 100 divided by 5 is 20. 20 plus 2 equals to 22. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys understand what is expressions and what are statements. So before I end this video, always remember, if it produces a value, then that's called an expression. If it tells Python to perform an action, like to print something or to store something in a variable, then that's called a statement. So yeah, bye guys. See you in my next video.